Hello, this is the game I've been working on for a couple weeks. It's a game that actually teaches kids how to program, specifically game programming using the Unity 3D game engine. Um, it's a wizard game where you can actually create the spell using code. As you see here, there's a code editor within the game, and I'll just demonstrate how it works. I've already created a spell here. This one will make whatever it hits smaller. It changes the scale here. So let's try that. Let's make it really small. Let's try that on our player. This is actually multiplayer, so you can see I'm actually moving on a separate machine. Okay, and you can create different effects for your spell. Rainbow, I'll switch it here, and let's do maybe a lightning explosion. Try that. There we go. You can see now she's a little small. Let's make her even smaller. Still works. She can still move around. Just a little smaller. So, and that apply. We can do that on almost anything. Oh, we're adding a rigid body, which is why it flew off. Let's add some force there. And let's change to another lightning thing. So we can hit pretty far away. As you can see, we could we can change the world quite a bit. Even destroy the world if we want. So when the user first comes on, they'll be presented with various challenges or levels. They could learn the programming through tutorial videos in games, such as like this one here.
In game development, we use vectors to define meshes, directions, and all manner of other calculations, which makes them essential to understand. A vector is a line drawn between 2 points. Vectors also have...
So once they complete each challenge, they go on to the next and level up. And as they're leveling up, they get more experience points and more mana. Right now, each spell lasts for about 3 seconds. So as they get more mana, they could do more with the spell, and it'll last longer. Eventually, once they complete all the levels, they'll be able to use Unity plugin and actually have their own land, where they can create basically anything. Maybe their own wizard tower. With enchanted items, and they could show that off to their friends. Also, there's going to be wizard duels. Anyone would be able to create a duel and invite spectators, and any other wizard would be able to join that duel. A duel could be anything. It could be very subjective, such as be the first person to knock someone out of an arena, or be first person to stop time or destroy the world. It might be bad if they destroy the world, so they'll probably need to be a reset button for the level, and people can vote on whether they want to reset the world. So I think this could be very fun. You could you could pretty much do anything with it. So I think I'm very excited to see what's going to happen. Thanks.